feels unreal. Like we've come so far only to look around and realize that we're still walking backwards. Bigotry running rampant, hatred made casual, worn openly, unashamed, unapologetic. And part of me says, well, at least now we see it. No more disguises, no more wondering how they really feel about us. But truthfully, that doesn't make it easier, because there's a grief that comes with knowing, a sadness, and sometimes anger that asks, is this really where we are? Is this really how they feel about us? And I know it's not all. There are hearts that stand with us, people who truly believe that we are also made in His image, who honor us, respect us, and understand that what our communities carry didn't begin with us. Because systems we never built for us to thrive. Systems were never built for us to thrive. But somehow, we still rise. We rise from generations of fire meant to destroy us. We rise with dignity, breaking cycles, rebuilding communities, making impact wherever we go. Because that's who we are. We are resilient. We are fighters. We are survivors. We are trailblazers. We are triumphant. We are Black, beautiful, brilliant, radiant, and despite every force meant to hold us back, we will overcome. We will prevail.
And keep going on. Take it from me, someday we'll all be free. Hey, just wait and see, someday we'll all be free. Yeah. Y'all believe that? Take it from me someday. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Rock with me, y'all. Ooh, child, things are get brighter.